All right, today we are going over the bird dog. Nicoly is in a hands and knees position, and she is going to engage her core to flatten her back slightly into a neutral position. She is then going to lift one leg and one arm, pushing them against the opposite walls, and then bringing them down without allowing her stomach to cave down. She's also keeping the hip level with the opposite hip and not rotating back to one side. Slow and controlled, feeling the tension across the front of your body as you pull, and the tension through the leg and the shoulder as you pull to the extended position. We will repeat this on the same side and then switch to the opposite.